Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some pork tenderloin medallions on the Weber Kettle and the Weber Q1200 gas grill. So it'll be charcoal versus gas. I have these pork tenderloins here. They come 2 in a pack. I got them for $8.50. They were $3.99 a pound. So like I said, they come 2 in a pack. They're about a pound a piece. I'm just going to cut them up into small slices or medallions, be like little mini pork chops. Now I'm going to season these on both sides with this Traeger apple honey pork and poultry rub. These are so small, it's a lot to turn over, kind of like chicken wings. I'm putting most of these in my Weber kettle and cooking them indirectly. I have Royal Oak Lump charcoal in my slow and sear there. So I'm just going to keep them on this side of the grill. These are pretty small, so shouldn't take too long to cook. I mean, they'll take longer than they will on the little Weber Q, but I guess I'll put this many on the kettle and that many I'll put on the Weber Q. I just want to see how they turn out on that. I get the lid on and I'm going to leave the vents wide open for now. Alright, my Weber Q is preheating over here. It looks pretty hot. I've never tried doing a video with two grills going at the same time, so we'll see how this turns out. We'll just get those on there, got the grill all kind of brushed off there. Get these little medallions on there, and I have the grill on high, so these shouldn't take long at all. While I was doing that, I just turned around and noticed the temperature on this grill is 475 degrees Fahrenheit, so I just closed the vents down there. This is confusing, trying to keep an eye on two grills. I've never tried this before. I think these need to be flipped already. I was going to set a timer, but I didn't get to it. The other grill got hotter than I wanted it to while I was messing with this one over here. Look at the nice grill marks. Those look real good. So anyway, I think they're almost done. I think they've probably been on that side, I don't know, maybe 2-3 minutes. But the grill's been warming up a while, so it's pretty hot. Okay. All right, let them cook a minute or so on that side, and then I'll get them off. All right, these are done. I just checked the internal temperature, and it's like 170. It only needs to be 145. So to get those off of there, and then I got to check the ones on the kettle as soon as I get these off. Okay, I just pulled the lid off there. It's only been 10 minutes or so, I think. Let's see what these are. 150. Yeah, those are done too. I think I'll brush a little barbecue sauce on those real quick. I'm not even going to move these. I'm just going to brush some barbecue sauce on them and just leave them like this. Just leave them alone, not turn them over or anything or sear them or anything. I think they'll be good. This is Kinder's Honey Hot barbecue sauce I'm putting on there. So I'll get these all sauced up, put the lid back on for, I don't know, another minute or two and let that warm up, and then we'll get them off and try them out. The gas grill medallions have nice grill marks. Let's try one of those first. Nothing wrong with that. It's tender and has good flavor. Now we'll try a Weber Kettle one. Well, that's real good too. Let me try a couple more and I'll give you my final opinion. Let's let Annie try it. Okay, here's the gas grill one, Annie. There you go. A little bit of chewing on that one. Now Weber Kettle one. There you go, Annie. A little bit chewing there as well. The ones on the gas grill had better color, better grill marks, but they were a little bit drier because they were cooked directly over the heat. Where the ones on the kettle were a little bit moister because they were cooked indirectly, and they had a little bit more of a smoky flavor because they were on there a little bit longer. I think they were on there about 25 minutes or so. So for that reason, I think I would choose the ones on the kettle as the winner, as my favorite anyway.